5, 10, 15 years ago, I never could have imagined that I grow up like this. This behavior and also physical appearance of mine is such a blurry vision of me, either in nature or the way the nature inside me being nurtured. Good day, everyone! In this moment, we're going to tackle about development. Either we are developed by genetic factors or it's matter of environment that we have. So, let's begin. There are lots of people who argued about nature versus nurture in human development. But actually, this is no longer a debate, since most of the scientists and psychologists already agreed that nature and nurture played an important role in human being. But before that, did you ask yourself what is nature and how nature and nurture are related to each other? Well, in order that your questions are going to be answered, let me introduce you all the speakers of this topic. Miss Omania for the nature side and Miss Baisa for the nurture side. So let's give them a round of applause.
According to science, nature is the physical world or universe. And according to Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a creative and controlling force in the universe. In other words, the external world and its entity, or humankind original condition. And according to the New Oxford Dictionary, the phenomenon of physical world and everything on it. So basically, everything around us is nature, either non-living or living organisms. But since we're talking about human development, it is all about genetics. It is what we think of as pre-wiring and influenced by genetic inheritance and other biological factors. Example, you're a family of doctors. So people around you will expect that you are going to take medical courses since their abilities and capabilities will be inherited by you since you are a product of them.
Nurture encompasses the environmental factors that impact who we are. This includes our early childhood experiences, the way we were raised, our social relationships, and the surrounding culture. This also includes how you are brought up, your friendship groups, schooling, occupation, your religion, ethnic origins, what you are exposed to in the media, whether you experience a major stressful events, serious illnesses, and other personal and socio-cultural factors. In other words, this is changeable.
What have you two said? I therefore conclude that both nature, genetics, and nurture surroundings of upbringing play equal role in the affect and all types of life processes in humans. Now, I want to hear your last statement. Let's start with nature and then go with nurture.
What other people says, you are a carbon copy of your great-grandmother. Your brown eyes, your porcelain skin, down to your curly hair, it's almost the same to her. But it's not all about physical appearance, but illness do. If both sides of your parents has an epilepsy, well, it is expected that certain illness may be inherited by you or in your generation. So basically, nature in human development is constant and unchangeable.
A perspective would argue that nurture processes are acquired through interaction with the environment. Nurtured human behavior is seen as a result of environmental interaction, which can provoke changes in the brain structures and chemistry. This is also shapes in the individual's character.
Conclusively, nature and nurture are boiling discussion, and both sides have valid points to justify their stance. Nature is purely based on the fact that genetic makeup influences how an individual behaves and thinks. Similarly, the natives hold that genetic factors dictate factors such as the appearance, particular illness, intelligence levels. On the contrary, individuals who believe in nurturing hold that environmental factors are majorly involved in the development process of individuals. Thank you for spending your time watching this video, and hopefully you've learned from it. This is Growth 10. Have a great day.
Upstairs more. The most awaited part. The bloopers, haha.
The external world.
Oh my God!
But since you are talking about human development,
Grabang ito. Nature and nurture are related to each other.
nature is the physical world or go.
So ask what have you.
Not what you are exposed to in the media, whether you experience a stressful major. This is also shapes